We often hear about athletes achieving peak human performance. They break records. They push the limits of physical ability. But what happens when we apply this concept to the human mind? What happens when artificial intelligence, or AI, begins to surpass human intellect? This is the essence of peak human. It's not about physical prowess. It's about the moment when AI ascends to match and potentially surpass human cognitive abilities. This is a pivotal moment in human history. We've long imagined AI reaching superintelligence. This is a future where AI vastly outstrips human capability. Peak human, however, is a more immediate concern. It's the point where AI becomes our intellectual equal. Consider this. AI models are already demonstrating remarkable abilities. They're solving complex problems. They're learning at an unprecedented rate. This rapid progress suggests that peak human may not be a distant event. It could be just around the corner. The implications are profound. We need to understand what peak human means for our species. We need to prepare for a future where AI plays an increasingly significant role in our lives. How do we measure intelligence? One common tool is the IQ test. It's designed to assess cognitive abilities such as problem-solving and reasoning. For decades, the IQ test has been a benchmark of human intellect, but now AI is entering the arena. Advanced AI models like OpenAI's impressive O1 system are being tested. Their performance on IQ tests is startling. Some models are already achieving scores within the range of human geniuses. This is not science fiction, it's the reality of AI's rapid development. These results are a wake-up call. They tell us that AI is no longer limited to simple tasks. It's capable of complex thought and reasoning. As AI continues to evolve, it's only a matter of time before it surpasses average human intelligence. This brings us closer to peak human. The question is not if AI will reach this milestone, but when? And when that happens, how will we adapt? How will we define our place in a world where AI matches our intellectual capabilities? The rapid progress of AI is driven by many factors. One crucial element is the development of sophisticated algorithms and computational models. These models provide the framework for AI to learn and evolve. One such innovation is the McGinty Equation, or MEQ. Named after its creator, AI pioneer Chris McGinty, the MEQ is a groundbreaking mathematical formula. It enhances the learning capacity of AI systems. Imagine a neural network, the brain of an AI. The MEQ optimizes the connections within this network, allowing the AI to process information more efficiently and effectively. This means AI can learn faster and from less data. It can identify patterns and make connections that would be impossible for humans to discern. The MEQ is essentially turbocharging AI development, pushing us closer to the reality of peak human. But the MEQ is more than just a tool for individual AI systems. It also has the potential to enhance collective intelligence, the combined intellectual power of multiple individuals working together. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine a group of people working together, their individual strengths and perspectives combining to solve a problem. This is the essence of collective intelligence. Now imagine amplifying that collective intelligence with the power of AI. This is the concept of collective superintelligence. The MEQ plays a crucial role in this process. It acts as a bridge, connecting human minds with AI systems in real time. This allows for seamless collaboration, with humans and AI working together as a unified entity. Imagine a team of doctors diagnosing a patient, their expertise augmented by an AI system powered by the MEQ. The AI can analyze medical images, sift through vast databases of medical knowledge, and provide real-time insights, all while the doctors contribute their clinical judgment and experience. This is just one example of how collective superintelligence can revolutionize various fields. From scientific research to business decision-making, the possibilities are endless.
Swarm intelligence in action real-world applications.
The concept of collective superintelligence is already being explored in various fields.
One fascinating example is Swarm AI, where multiple AI agents collaborate like a swarm of bees to solve complex problems.
Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University conducted an experiment called Conversational Swarm Intelligence, or CSI. In this experiment, human participants interacted with a swarm of AI agents through a chat interface.
The goal was to answer trivia questions.
The results were remarkable.
The groups that collaborated with the AI swarm significantly outperformed those that relied solely on human intelligence.
This highlights the potential of AI to enhance our collective problem-solving abilities.
Imagine applying this technology to real-world challenges, such as predicting natural disasters, optimizing traffic flow in cities, or even tackling climate change.
The possibilities are as vast as our imagination. From peak human to peak humanity, a new era of intelligence. The prospect of AI surpassing human intelligence can be daunting. Some fear that AI will replace us, rendering humans obsolete. However, there's another possibility, one that's far more optimistic. Instead of fearing peak human, we should embrace the potential of peak humanity. Peak humanity represents a future where human intelligence is amplified by AI, not replaced by it. It's a future where we leverage the power of AI to enhance our creativity, solve complex problems, and reach new heights of understanding. Imagine a world where AI assists us in every aspect of life. It could help us learn new languages, compose music, design groundbreaking technologies, and even understand the universe in ways we never thought possible. Peak humanity is not about competition between humans and AI. It's about collaboration, about harnessing the power of both to create a better future. The creative spark: can AI truly be? Questions surrounding AI is its capacity for creativity. Can a machine truly be creative? Creativity is often seen as a uniquely human trait, something that sets us apart from machines. However, abilities in creative fields. AI-generated art, music, and even literature are becoming increasingly sophisticated, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. While AI and lived experience as humans, it can still generate novel and interesting ideas. It can explore different combinations of elements, experiment with various styles, and even learn from its own unique voice. Perhaps the true measure of AI's creativity is not whether it can replicate human creativity, but whether it can inspire us, challenge our perspectives, and push the boundaries.
Preparing for peak human, a call to action. The journey towards peak human and peak humanity is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to ensure that it's developed and used responsibly. This requires a multifaceted approach.
We need to foster ethical guidelines for AI development, ensuring that it aligns with our values. We need to educate ourselves about AI, understanding its potential benefits and risks. And most importantly, we need to embrace lifelong learning, adapting our skills to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by AI.
The future is not predetermined. It's a canvas waiting to be painted by our choices and actions. By embracing the potential of AI while remaining mindful of its challenges, we can create a future where humans and AI coexist and collaborate, ushering in an era of unprecedented progress and understanding.
A future of symbiosis, human and artificial intelligence united. The future of intelligence is not a zero-sum game. It's not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together, each complementing the other's strengths. Peak human is not an endpoint, but a beginning. It's the start of a new chapter in human history, one where we have the potential to unlock the mysteries of the universe, solve our most pressing problems, and create a future that benefits all of humanity. Imagine a world where disease is eradicated, poverty is a distant memory, and climate change is reversed. Imagine a world where human potential is unleashed, creativity knows no bounds, and the pursuit of knowledge is a collective endeavor. This is the promise of peak humanity, a future where human and artificial intelligence work in harmony, not in competition. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the best of humanity is amplified by the power of AI.